The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Order canceled.
Morning, guys. Happy Wednesday, fellas. Thank you, Deepak. Dennis, thank you. Barry, good morning. Guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday, October 18th. Markets are really slow. Morning, Jacques. Mike, good morning. Guys, good morning. We are very slow here today, guys, so far. We had one nice down move shortly after 6 a.m. And since then, it's just been relatively choppy with nothing going on. You can see the NASDAQ bot is currently in a short. Crude had a very nice winner today. The bots overall are up $15 at this point. That's it. Largely on crude. NASDAQ has been kind of just chopping around. It's been in this short for better part of 15 minutes. It hasn't gone anywhere. In any event, we don't really have any news today at 8:30. We do have, I think, housing starts, building permits, nothing. We do have a number of Fed speakers today. None of which will be while we're in the session. Good morning, Patrick. Fed speakers will start, I think, around noon. So nothing that'll adversely affect us. We had a terrific trade yesterday with the bots, order flow wise as well. We'll see if we can't keep that going. NASDAQ is trading into some support here. It really is going to have to break down below 150. If it gets below 145, it's going to get cratered. We do have a small net negative delta. I'll go over all that in a minute. In any event, let me read the disclaimer. We'll look at charts and see what we can come up with. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. We got target one at least. That may be all we get unless we break down below this 45. Then we can get to target number 2 on the NASDAQ. All right, let's take a look at charts.
Stop filled.
We bounced nicely off the 240-minute trend line back up to the point of control. Traded up higher. We didn't get value area high, but we did trade to the point of control and above. Failed at this daily resistance up in here. Back down, bounced around the 240-minute trend line. We've now tested it twice from below and failed it at 710 and again at 740. Okay, Peter. We're now holding this area here. Looks like we built a trend line right here that we traded back up into as well. So we held this trend line, back tested it once, now twice, and failed it both times, holding this low volume area. But unless we get above 171, I don't think we're going anywhere. I think we can go back up and back test 171, which is where we'll probably fail. We've got another trend line here, which we're now holding basically on the downside. This is kind of a mess, guys. It's chop. Good luck with that. Yeah, this is just ugly. We're getting another simple trend lines, guys. We could be building a bull flag. Warning, I mean. Could be a bull flag. Do have some small buying in here. Actually just missed a long. Yeah, man, this is, unless we get out of this, there's no trades here. Take a look at, she's going to get through. Next 5-minute candle ideally closes above 69.70. We've got buyers. $76 is target one. It's not much. I will take this long, guys, with micros.
Order filled.
I bought 5 micros. I can buy a cigar. Nice cigar. Well, not anymore. There we go. Come on, baby. Let's go. 75 would be target one, especially if you're in with, let's call it
Order
74,
submitted.
especially if you're in with minis. It's pushing this area here, this low volume area. Come on, baby. And then try to trade a couple of micros to 98. Just missed target one.
And Italy today reportedly buying back about 3 billion euro in BTPs as part of a previously announced exchange
By a
transaction.
tick. A little bit of 15-minute resistance right here at 73.75. A little bit more here, not much. It's just a wick. Look at this one tick. You're not going to give me the damn tick? Like $2? Seriously? Guess it's not. Next 10-minute bar is not for 7 minutes. Come on, I'm 2 handles below the resistance. Above that, it's 87. Got to get back above 68.5 here. I don't want to see this pull back to 55. Morning, Hubba. Come on. Pushing that damn 240 trend line again. Gotta be kidding me. Sequential decline up here. 3 tick sequential decline. This looks like we're going to come back test 61. I mean, she's hanging in there like a champ. She just can't find any buyers. We need to get through this stupid 3 block sellers we just did. We just took one of them out. Needs to get back above 68.25.
Reminder here at the bottom of the hour, we're going to get the release of the September housing starts and building permits. Housing starts expected at 1.38 million, up from 1.28 million in August. Building permits expected to fall to 1.45 million from 1.54 million month over month.
There we go, buyers. They're going to have to pry my dead hands off my 2.65 mortgage rate.
Order submitted.
Well, if we clear that trend line, we're good to go. It does not, it cannot get through that. I'll show it to you. I'll go to a 240-minute chart and I'll show you what it looks like. Come on, clear this puppy. You guys can't find 100 buyers? There we go. Still won't give me my target. Can have it.
Order filled.
I'm flat. Can have it. Until it clears that, I'm out. It won't go. I think it goes. But trade micros, I don't really care. All right, so these bots are done for the day, fellas. Small win, up $230.
National paper expects to come
I'll
in
turn on the 30 range bot at the open. I haven't done anything with that today.
Order submitted.
It looks like we could get a bid on the open. We could get back to that 180 area. See if we get one more push lower and then a move. Anybody have any questions, guys? ES held the bottom of the hourly cloud. We could get a push right back up. We're off.
Order filled.
Long NASDAQ right here. 32.34 long NASDAQ. Buyers. Target number 1 is going to be 46. 46 target 1.
Order filled.
30 range bot went long. Come on, push. Here it goes. Let's see. Come on, get 46. 44.5.
Order filled.
Well, now flipped into a short. Little crazy on the open here, guys. Got buyers trying, sellers also trying. If we get above 40.50, this is going to go hooey.
Stop filled.
Big support at 23. Big support on the NASDAQ. Just chopping. ES doing nothing.
Early going here, we're looking at a Dow trading down about 65 points, the S&P down 20, and the NASDAQ Composite down 95. Russell 2000 down 0.8% after being the leader yesterday. Small caps.
NASDAQ's hanging in there.
Crude futures holding on to gains at just shy of 2% at 87.03.
Order filled.
I'm not sure what's here at 44.50. There it goes.
Target
the
filled.
ECB saying that they are proceeding to the next phase of the digital euro project.
There we go. We got target 1 is off here now. No target 2 yet.
Stop filled.
Nothing. It's trying to break out, or it's trying to break up.
ECB release saying Governing Council to start digital euro preparation
Order
phase
submitted.
following conclusion of 2-year investigation phase on design and distribution of a digital euro. Preparation phase will lay foundations for potential digital euro with work to include finalizing the rulebook and selecting providers to develop a platform and infrastructure. Saying preparation phase will pave the way for potential future decision
We're going
on
up.
issuing
They're
a
buying
digital
them.
euro.
Order canceled.
Next target is 64. We're going to trade right into that resistance here again on the 15-minute. They're buying them. Let's see if we can get them. It's pushing into that resistance zone now. And I think we're going 93. ES probably gives you a small long from here to 86. Target 1 and then 90. Breaking out. Look at this. Buying the dip again. Same playbook as yesterday. All the way up to value area high at 93. Jeez. 200 is next. If anybody took ES, you got first target quickly. I can't even get trades in. It's moving so fast. Next target is 204 from here, 204. And then 228. See if we can get a damn pullback to get long. 204 from here and then 228. Yesterday's close was 240. We'll probably visit that. Going long here again, 93. How about a pullback?
Order canceled.
Failed at the top of the 10-minute cloud. Nice job, Arjan. Nice job. What minute? What time frame? 1 minute? 3 minute? I'm running the 3 minute in the background. It's up 505. Gonna get a small pullback in here. Damn it. My bot was off. We're going to come back to 37. We're coming back to 37. Here comes NASDAQ to 27. It just keeps pinging off point of control at 40. Come on, jeepers, criminy. That negative is increasing. Not much tradable here, guys. Look at this ES. ES is trying to bounce here off the bottom of this cloud, but it needs to get above 80 half. You got to be kidding me with this. No target. Missed target 2 by a tick.
Target filled.
Got it.
Look at the weekly DOE petroleum inventory data, about 20 minutes. Crude
There's
expected plus
49.
5 million barrels, gasoline minus.
We have 1,900 net sellers, and we're not breaking down. I don't see how we don't. Below 49, we can start to work to 21. I mean, it's a short here, but your stop is 190. 194 on the 10-minute. Yeah, it's all wicks. I'm looking at a 15-minute. Top and bottom wicks. Really good support at 24. The other trade is long with a stop at 24. I can't trade this, guys. This is you do not have to have it. No. Oh my God. What is going on here? 45 minutes of chop. We got one up move. Crude is dead quiet.
Order filled.
And confirming later this week he'll be asking Congress for a
Trend bot
support
went long
package
now,
for Israel.
or the 30-minute bot went long. 30 range.
Biden noted the Palestinian people are suffering greatly as well. Vast majority of Palestinians are not Hamas, says Biden.
Target filled.
Target one filled. That's all we're going to get.
Stop filled.
I mean, if
Biden
this puts it in
mandated information
perspective,
from
we're
the
trading in a
White House
5-handle
for the
range.
blast appears to be a result
That's
of
all
an
we can
American
get.
rocket
5
fired
handles.
by a terrorist group. Senate committee approving Biden nominee to head the FAA. Biden saying he asked Israel to agree to delivery of humanitarian aid in Gaza. Biden saying Israel agreed that aid can move from Egypt to Gaza.
I would think if we're going to fail,
Biden saying he's
it's
allocating
right
$100
here,
million new U.S.
77,
funding for humanitarian
this area.
aid in Gaza and the West Bank.
We're going to go long. We're going to go long on this damn pullback. This is going to go long. If it gets above 80, it's going to go. It's going to go long. Right here. It's going to 213. Coming through the opening range high now at 19200. $220 next target. And then yesterday's close was 240. I think we're going to trade up to flat. You got a long on the ES here at 90. $89.5. Target one is 93. Got that 213 target on the NASDAQ, and now 20 is next. Got it. Target one in the ES is 93. We've got 92 quarter. Still long NASDAQ
Sweden to sell 2 billion
on
in
this 1 minute
2028
pullback.
bonds, another 500 million krona in 2045 bonds on October 25th.
Biden reiterating support for a two-state solution in Israel and Palestine.
Long NASDAQ again. Long NASDAQ, we're still right in here, 1415. ES got target one. Just out of curiosity, I got to see where the hell the VIX is. VIX is at 24. It's up 1.8%, but it's falling. No, now it just hit 2%. I mean, this NASDAQ wants to go back up and back test the 50-day moving average, which is around give or take 247, 248. Thank you, Ed. Guys, long NASDAQ. That's 14. It's slow and sloppy, but it is long. Stop is below 05. This is just ugly. $600 sellers came in back to 1,000 on the net negative delta.
Target filled.
Another target.
Target filled.
Another target. This spot's up 515. Between the three, we're closing in on $1,000 day on the bots. On the bot, not a bad. There's 28. Got 28. 22 should be next. A break of 22 is going to blow this thing out. It's going to blow it out. Break of 21. We could come 076. We've really got to break that hourly bottom. It's pretty good resistance, but we're at 33, closing in on 30. Look, and they bounced it. 3,400. I don't think they can hold it here long.
Treasury yields, the 10-year now hitting a new high, back to 4.89%. The rise in yields once again
There it goes.
coinciding with stocks drifting near the lows of the day. New lows being posted.
If we break this
futures,
hourly support,
the yield above 5.2%.
yeah, and that's
here in the US.
it's been there 3 consecutive hours, Mimi. If that hourly breaks, it's going to flush. This is what's got to break. Right there. If that breaks, this should
Order submitted.
this should flush. It's just a grind into the lows, into this hourly support, and I do think it's going to flush. We're at 3,700. There we go.
Canceled.
There we go. There's the flush. Disregard my chart. It's like handles behind. There we go. We're at 14, 15. 076 now is final target. 076. $9.2 is next, and then below that 7.6. We'll probably bounce 90, and then I think we come into yesterday's lows. $4,600 sellers. There's no reason to even consider a long. I'm looking for ES to break below 67, bounce back up, and then drop. 92 is next target. And then 64. 92, 76, and 64. Now they can't find a buyer. That up move was just exit liquidity. Retail just got bagged again.
Target filled.
Target filled.
Target filled.
Target filled. Up 765. Yeah, Tesla and Netflix. Tesla and Netflix. Two past evaluations. Great job. Inside bars. Right back to that same 22, which was previous support. We're losing buyers.
Order filled.
We're losing buyers. There we
Target
go.
filled.
Target filled.
Target filled.
Both targets filled on the 30 range again. This thing is tearing it up 1,015. And now we break back down. Ten minutes, guys. And I'm calling it a day. Here's where we're at for the bot. 230 and 1,015 on the 30 range. So 1245 in this chop. Not too bad. Still think we got to come down. 92 is next. And we may bounce there. But on the new hourly candle at 11 o'clock, we're probably going to get dusted.
All pre-markets probing new lows. The Nasdaq down about 1%, S&P down 0.8, and the
Nice job,
Russell
Amit.
down 1.5%.
Still a short.
Order filled.
Still a short. Holding this bottom now. Come on, break that low again. Break that low again. Jesus. Now we're putting in support at 101, 5,400, 5,400. Break that low and kill him. Break that low and kill him.
Order filled.
Okay, got it. Come on down to 76. Come on. 76.
Order filled.
I mean, if I knew that, I would be the richest guy on the planet. I can't tell you what it's going to do. I have no idea. I can only tell you what it's doing. If I knew what it was going to do this afternoon, I'd be so rich that I would buy Tesla and trash every single Tesla ever made. If I were a betting person,
On Capitol Hill, Jim Jordan saying he wants the House to proceed with the vote on his speaker bid.
if I were a betting person, we'll get a rebound later today. They'll trap shorts. They're not going to listen. They're not going to let Europe sit up 200 handles all day or whatever. They're going to let Europe hold the bag overnight. I mean, that's kind of the par for the course. Did we get 92? We got 96. Boy, look at USO. USO broke out big time. Dollar index.
To propose ending transaction price discounts for
Anybody run that 30 range
on stock exchanges.
How'd you do? Give me some totals. Plus 1610. Nice, Veronica. You're up better than I am. Damn, Dennis. 3,400. You're doing a lot of trailing then. You're not taking second target, right? 3,400. Nice job, though, Veronica. Great job. This is from 9:30, fellas. And the first two trades were losers. Nice job, Dennis. 34.05 with 4 contracts. We're getting this consolidation in here again. I don't know if this is trying to break up. It looks like it is. It looks like it's, the parameters are not on the site. No. That's the education I did 3 or 4 Saturdays ago. All right, this could be the last trade. This is the
Order
last
filled.
trade. Anybody that wants to buy the video can buy the video, the educational video. Last trade of the day here, guys, on the bot. It's 11 o'clock. We're getting a retracement now. Come on, Dow, go get one more target and shut that off. Target or bust, guys. Target or bust. Come on, target or bust. Come on. What did we get? 17 and a quarter. 3 ticks shy.
Sensing the Islamic State claiming responsibility for an attack in Uganda's national park that
Should get to 21. Should get that first target.
Target filled.
Target filled. Come on, get that second target.
Stop.
All right, guys. I'm done for the day. So here is your bot total. 1120 plus 230, $1,350 day on the bot. I ran the trend bot on a 3-minute, up 635. So 1350 on the bot, guys. 1350 in this garbage.